Our menu for the day. Bicol Express. Add all in a pan. Add the ginger. Sauté for 2 minutes. Next, add the garlic. Sauté for 2 minutes. Next, put the onion. Sauté for another 2 minutes. Next, put the pork meat. Sauté for 15 minutes, or until the meat becomes tender. Next, put the shrimp paste. Cook until it turns to brown. You can put now the thin coconut milk. Cook for another 5 minutes. Add 1 piece pork cube for added taste. Add 2 teaspoons of pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add 3 pieces bay leaf. You can add also 1 tablespoon of sugar. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Now you can add the thick coconut milk. Cook for 5 minutes. Then add now the baguio beans or sita. Cook for 3 minutes. You can add now the green chilies. You can add more depend on your taste. Cook for 3 minutes. It's done when you have this consistency. Please like, follow, share and subscribe for more cooking tutorial.